Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about renting an apartment. What kind of word you could use when you're renting an apartment in Turkey? Let's see in the dialogue.
Birinci kez. Merhaba, bir daire kiralamak istiyorum. Tamam, ne büyüklükte bir ev istiyorsunuz? Tek kalacağım. Bu yüzden tek kişilik yatak odası yeterli. Uygun bir şeyler var mı? Evet, bakmak ister misiniz? İkinci kez. Merhaba, bir daire kiralamak istiyorum. Tamam, ne büyüklükte bir ev istiyorsunuz? Tek kalacağım. Bu yüzden tek kişilik yatak odası yeterli. Uygun bir şeyler var mı? Evet, bakmak ister misiniz? Üçüncü kez. Merhaba, bir daire kiralamak istiyorum. Tamam, ne büyüklükte bir ev istiyorsunuz? Tek kalacağım. Bu yüzden tek kişilik yatak odası yeterli. Uygun bir şeyler var mı? Evet, bakmak ister misiniz?
Now we have listened to the dialogue. Let's translate all sentences. Merhaba, bir daire kiralamak istiyorum. Hello, I want to rent an apartment. Merhaba, bir daire kiralamak istiyorum. Hello, I want to rent an apartment. Merhaba, bir daire kiralamak istiyorum. Tamam, ne büyüklükte bir ev istiyorsunuz? Okay, how big a house do you want? Tamam, ne büyüklükte bir ev istiyorsunuz? Okay, how big a house do you want? Tamam, ne büyüklükte bir ev istiyorsunuz? Tek kalacağım. Bu yüzden tek kişilik yatak odası yeterli. Uygun bir şeyler var mı? I will live alone. So one bedroom is enough. Do you have something suitable? Tek kalacağım. Bu yüzden tek kişilik yatak odası yeterli. Uygun bir şeyler var mı? I will live alone. So one bedroom is enough. Do you have something suitable? Tek kalacağım. Bu yüzden tek kişilik yatak odası yeterli. Uygun bir şeyler var mı? Evet, bakmak ister misiniz? Yes. Do you want to have a look? Evet, bakmak ister misiniz? Yes. Do you want to have a look? Evet, bakmak ister misiniz? Now we have completed translation. Let's look at some grammatical points, piece by piece, what we have in today's lesson. At the first line, merhaba, bir daire kiralamak istiyorum. Merhaba means hello. Bir means one. Daire means apartment. Bir daire, one apartment. Kiralamak. This is a verb form. Also, this is infinitive verb form to rent. Kira is noun, is also rent. Kira, kiralamak. Noun and verb. İstiyorum. İste means want. Your is present tense suffix. We use this to talk about present situation. İstiyor. Is a personal suffix, indicates the person I. İstiyorum. We have another rule here. We call this ünlü daralması, narrowed vowel. E changes into E. İste, isti. We are narrowing the vowel sound. As you can see here, E is wider than E. E is narrower than E. At the next line. Tamam. Ne büyüklükte bir ev istiyorsunuz? Tamam means okay. Ne büyüklükte means how big. Ev means house. İste means want. Your is present tense suffix. We use this to talk about present. İstiyor. Sunuz is second person plural. We use this in formal situation, like we want to be more polite and the situation is more formal. That's why we use it. Instead of saying istiyorsun, which is informal, we use sunuz, istiyorsunuz to be more formal, to talk with someone else in this kind of situation. At the next line, tek kalacağım. Tek means one, kal means stay. Acak. Acak is future tense suffix. We use this to talk about future. Is a personal suffix, indicates the person I. Kalacağım. We have another special rule here. We have key letter. It changed into soft G. Why it happened? Because if vowel letters comes after key letter, it changes into soft G. Kalacağım. We don't say this because it is hard to say. We want to make it easy. Kalacağım. It's more soft. At least for us. But you can do better with practice. Bu yüzden means so. You hurt me. Beni incittin. Bu yüzden seni seviyorum. You hurt me. So I love you. There's a contradiction here, but it's a good example for you to remember. Why you love someone who hurt you, you should hate it. Okay. Tek means one. Tek kişilik means for one person. Yatak means bed. Oda means room. Yatak odası, bedroom. Yeterli means enough. Yettiyse yetti be. Enough is enough. If you want to argue with someone else, you can use this word. Maybe this is a little bit high level, but I think you could use it. For elementary levels, arguing is not a good choice though. You wouldn't have that much chance to gain the battle, Okay, this is a good tip for you. You can use this yettiyse yetti be. I like this in English, enough is enough. If you want to use this in Turkish, you can use this one. If you're someone like angry, you can do that. Okay, let's move on our topic. Uygun means suitable. Bir means one. Şey means thing. Ler is plural suffix. Bir şeyler. Together, bir şeyler means something. Var means have. There's also another meaning which is exist, but in this case we say have. M is question suffix. We use this suffix to form question sentences. We use this suffix end of the sentence. Var mı? I want to mention about another detail here. If you want to talk about yourself, you would say tek kalacağım. You don't say I'm gonna stay one person like this. You say tek kalacağım, not bir kişi kalacağım. It could be kind of weird. We would definitely understand what you're saying, but if you use this tek to talk about yourself, it will be more fluent. Also, if you want to say double, you can use shift, tek, shift, kind of this. This could be beneficial for you to know these words. At the next line, evet, bakmak ister misiniz? Evet means yes. Bakmak is a verb. This is infinitive form of the verb. Bak, bakmak. Look means look. iste means want. We have er suffix here. Er, this is simple present tense suffix, but we don't put two vowels together. There's just, we removed one of them. It becomes iste, er, ister. Because the vowels are same, we don't put any letters between them. It becomes ister. If you're not talking about the past or the future, you use this suffix to indicate the time period. Me is question suffix. We use this me suffix at the end of the verb. Siniz is second person plural suffix. Indicates the person you. We use this in formal situation. If it is informal you can use sin. İstersin, istersiniz. Now we have completed the lesson. I hope you guys have learned something about kira, yatak odası, tek, çift. These words would be essential, I think. And I think it is enough for today's lesson, and it is time to say görüşürüz.